guys, welcome back to my channel. Gillian here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the most delicious watermelon juice right at home. It is so easy and so simple. My recipe also has a little twist to it, which makes it absolutely delicious, so I can't wait to show you guys. Watermelons are amazing. They're loaded with vitamins, minerals, nutrients. They're 92% water content. They leave you feeling so hydrated, and they just leave your cells feeling so energized and amazing. I recently completed a 21-day watermelon cleanse. It was absolutely fantastic, so go check out the playlist section of my channel if you're interested in that, and give this video a big thumbs up right now, and let's get started. So for this recipe, you will need some chopped up watermelon. So I've chopped this watermelon here into cubes, so it's ready for the blender. You will need a blender, and then I also use a little bit of mint as well. So if you have mint in your garden, amazing, grab it from there. Otherwise, you can get it at the store. So I will fill up my blender with the watermelon. It is so easy, and I think most people don't realize you can do it right in your blender. I find it so much easier than doing this in my juicer. So watermelon is just such high water content that it turns into a juice automatically. So then I use about a little bit of mint, like maybe up to a handful. So mint and watermelon is just such a nice flavor together. I absolutely love it. I like to drink this right in the morning too. It's so good to have for the first thing you have in the day. Makes you feel amazing. Okay, there we go. So that's it. It's so worth making this at home because it's so good. So another thing which is optional is a strainer. I like to use it just in case there's any pieces left over in here, but you don't really need one. And there's no need to add water to the blender either. Like I said, watermelon juice is just so high in water content that it just turns into a juice in there anyway. Here's our juice. I just rinsed out the blender. So I'll pour it back in there. It is so delicious. So there we go. Now I'll pour it in my jar, and look at that. It is so good. I cannot recommend this enough for you guys to try this, especially when watermelons are in season. So good. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up right now. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss great recipes and other raw vegan content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.